I just received my Call of the Morrigan Oracle deck and guidebook, and I'm just like giddy, right? So really been waiting on this. I love the artwork by Naomi, and knowing Karen and Stephanie, I just can't wait to dive into these. So let's see what we got. First thing is, I love the box. Okay, it's got one of those kind of magnetic snap lids, and it's real nice and it's thick. You know, it's probably, you know, so it's going to be a nice storage box for the cards. Let's see what we got here. Wow. There's a lot. I mean, it's got divination meetings, the cards, keywords for it, spells for each card. That's kind of cool. Just, this is just, I mean, it's just, this is well thought out, and there is a lot of information with each card. You can definitely tell that they spent a lot of time. This wasn't a quickie, right? This is definitely a lot of information. You know, it's got the different suits. I didn't even know that. I mean, it's kind of cool. I love Oracle decks. I'm not a tarot kind of person, right? Much more like the Oracle cards. All right, so we got Guises of the Morrigan, and then we've got Otherworldly Guide. I bet there's probably a, hey, how about using the cards? That's kind of always handy. When all else fails, read the instructions, right? You're not familiar with my work, are you? How to attune to them. This is epic. I mean, this is going to be work with a W, capital W, just kind of getting to know the cards so much more than just, you know, than just, you know, whipping some out and pulling three. And I mean, this is nice. All right, so we got the Otherworld guides. Let's see if there's other suits that we've got. I think there's another one here. I see Spirits of the Land, so there's got to be, I'm missing it here. Here we go. Ah, there we go. Spirits of the Land. Then we've got, looks like Outer Worlds. I mean, look at this. Look at it, all these. I mean, it's just, then there's Inner Worlds I saw. There's Inner Worlds. Oh, and it even kind of gives you an idea how to do spreads too. That's kind of cool. I'm liking that. Raven spread. Of course there's a Raven spread, right? 4 treasures, yeah, all right. Different chapter on spells and rituals. Man, yeah, I'm looking forward to this. And it's little writing, which means I've got to get my reading glasses on. That means there's a lot of information in here. This is super. Man, look at that. That's great. All right, so what else we got? Oh, the cards. I love all the little touches, right? You know, this is, look how big these things are. I mean, these aren't like playing cards, right? See, I've got poker cards, right? It's big. Look at that. I mean, there's double the size of poker cards, right? So these are really cool and full color on the artwork. That's the back of all of them. Just look at it, and it's just a detail. I love Naomi's work. It's just the detail on her. If you can just kind of like stare and meditate on a painting and see so much on her artwork, just see so much over and over and over and over again. It's just crazy. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, I am going to enjoy these. One of the things that I saw that I've never seen anywhere else is that, see this little ridge here? Is that you can actually set your cards up here for your work, right? For your reading. I think that's cool. And I like the idea that it's a really nice box to keep everything in. And I have a feeling that I'm going to spend quite a bit of time working with all this. This is really cool. Nicely done. Nicely done. And I appreciate it. This is work. This is love. This is dedication and devotion. So thanks, y'all.